Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode,
Darren's bike's the black tyre's gone on it. He's absolutely exhausted and knackered.
I'm trying to push it out of here without the engine running.
Okay, that isn't the trail that I was hoping for. Difference when you're by yourself is that if I get in trouble, there's no one to help me.
well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Oh no!
What? What?
What's that?
What?
I've got a fucking flat tyre.
Are you really?
Yeah. Oh shit, the bed.
Uh-oh. So, Darren's bike's the black tyre's gone on it. He's absolutely exhausted and knackered, and he's got to push it the rest of the way. And we don't know how many more miles we've got to go because people keep telling us different stuff that goes by in 4x4s, but this is going to be a real struggle now. It really is. You're right.
You leave it here.
Just build another one. How many more miles do you reckon we got to go?
Not many.
I've got some duct tape. Do you reckon? Right. He wishes he bought a monkey bike now.
Yeah, I think he'd buy one of them for 10 grand.
Yeah.
Right now.
I reckon we'll get 10
Right
grand.
now.
But then, do you really want to push his Vespa all that way?
We don't want it. We just burn it.
Anyway, should we get back on ours and just do what they do on all top shows and just ride off into the sunset?
Yeah. Just saunter along as we've been doing all day.
Be alright.
Sandwich in one hand,
Flat sandwich with crushed.
cigar in the other.
Perfecto. Well, there you go. Yeah, again, monkey bikes. Just saying. All right. The thing is now, Darren's got a long push ahead of him. A long push. And we don't really know how far we've got still to go. It could be miles. And the sun's come out. What's lovely for us, but he's also going to sweat a lot. So we're going to have to think of something. But hey, we're still going. Well, I'm still going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There he is. We're having to push it through more water. It's like water crossing after water crossing. It doesn't stop. Shit, it's the bed. Look at the rocks under here. Oh. You're fucked, aren't you? Do you want to take a swap in a bit? Do you want? Let me get up here. Go on, Darren. That's steep. Oh, that's steep and soft. Come on, monkey. So, Sidekick, I know you're sweating. I know you're exhausted. But you went through that last load of water, flooded your engine, and obviously you're pushing with a flat tyre, so you're using the engine to help you push.
Yeah. So, yeah, that last bit was obviously really deep, not far off the balls. I switched it off to go through, but obviously I think one of the valves was probably a bit open or something. It's filled the exhaust up, it's filled the engine up with water. I'm trying to push it out of here without the engine running is just hard work. So I need that bit of engine power just to try and help me pull it along, because this is difficult. We've
got a while to go yet as well.
Got a while to go.
We've been told that there's some kind of trail further up, hopefully, that will lead to a main road that's off of this track. So
right.
We're hoping, if that is right, and that's the guy that passed us in a 4x4 that we're going to be able to go up there and do it. So I think the thing now is we've just got to get to that trail and see if it leads to a road. And what we're going to do is we're going to send probably Mr. Dazza up there. He's going to report back like a scout, and hopefully we can take the bike up to there and we can go and get one of the campers. That's the plan, the current plan at least. So I'm heading off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and see if I can see like the trail that goes off, and I reckon it's a loggers trail, so I could be massively wrong. So we'll soon find out. Hopefully I'm not wrong and there is a trail, and if that logger trail is a lot better than this and can get us to the road, we can go and get the monkey cycle camper van, or even the ambulance if needs be, and bada boom, bada bing, we've got Darren sorted. Oh shit, the bed. Another river crossing. Keep going. That's what matters. So Mr. Dazza and Darren are trying to get Darren's bike to start. So basically, he can push it because he's not going to, well, he can do it, but he's going to be so tired without a little bit of that horsepower. Come on, baby. Keep going. Come on, monkey. You are special. Okay, that isn't the trail that I was hoping for. Now, everything I go through this way, I'm going to have to do when I get back. To pass on news. Now, the way it is, whoa! Keep going. Now, the thing of it is that we both turned around and said that, you know, we are going there knowing that this is at the end of the day, oh my gosh, that this is a bike killer of a place to bring them. So we were expecting something to happen, just probably not as bad as this. Come on, son. Come on. You're going. You're going. Right. There's another river. Okay. How ming this looks. Come on, monkey. Difference when you're by yourself is that if I get in trouble, there's no one to help me. Look at this. There's some flowing water there. Come on, monkey. It's almost like the trail ends. It's just a rocky river. I hope they get it sorted. To be fair, I really hope they get it sorted. Come on, monkey. I'm knackered. Knackered. Absolutely cream crackered. Knackered. Goes back into a river in a minute. Pretty though, you've got to say, it's definitely pretty. Still going. Oh, Jesus. Let me go up on the middle. Yes, come on, monkey. We go again. Back into the river. Back into the river. Would you fancy a little bit of river crossing? Still going. Still going. Come on. Come on, monkey. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Come on, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on. Come on. We go! Come on, monkey! Yes. What is that about? It's like a ridge right in front of me. Anyway, come on, monkey again. It's like a river of piss. Keep going. Keep going. Jesus, look at that for a flow of water. Jeez. God, this is rugged, this is. This is pretty steep, to be fair. Come on. Come on, monkey. Oh. I'm going to have to have a break soon. Whew. It was like, started off with 6 and now it's just 1. Keep going. Aha! Oh no. Yeah, I don't think this is going to lead to a road, do you? Have a look though. I'm getting really tired now. It's been a long day. No, that's not it. Anyone's been up there for a while. Right, let's keep going. I'm going to have to stop for some water soon because I'm really thirsty. Oh, my legs hurt. Alright, let's keep going. Not moaning. Now, I think this is a good time to just do a quick review of the Monkey, the most standard bike here out of them all. And they laughed. The Sidekick laughed at that air filter down there, right? He laughed at my cheap Chinese air filter. And he said, I'm going to get it flooded. And it's going to cut out. It never happened. And I'm not just going to say that his bike's just flooded with water again for probably the third or fourth time at all, in any way. And the Monkey's still going. And that's the reason why this is the best motorcycle in the world. In the world! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's keep going. What is this? Please tell me this is a road. There's a road. This is a road. Well, it's a trail. Is it a road? Please tell me it's a road. Please tell me it's a road. Please tell me it's something better than this. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to send the drone up.